Um, Dad, what do I do for, living? Oh, that's a lot of questions. Well, you see, people always do stuff themselves. So that means they're listening to their own mind. Well, only if you behave in school. I'll give you your PlayStation 3. Oh, really? Then I can, give you money to pay me? No. I can, give you a wedgie? No. Then I can, awesome, just forget it. You're never ever gonna get your PlayStation 3. What? You said that you was gonna get my PlayStation 3. And today is that's 3, February 8th. And you get to buy me a PlayStation 3. Don't argue with me, son. You know how mad I get. Alright, father. Father who? Father Macklin. Alright, Jeffrey, now go up to your room and do your homework. But today is Saturday. I should do your homework! Dun dun dun. Bye.